Welcome to Longo's Virtual Cooking School. I'm Chef Tanya. I'm the product developer here at Longo's. I am cooking today at Longo's Cooking School at our beautiful Stouffville location. We look forward to having you back to our loft cooking schools when we reopen again. Today's recipe is a toasted sesame marinated asparagus salad from our summer issue of our Longo's Experience magazine. This unique and tasty way to serve asparagus raw is inspired by a Japanese-style seaweed salad. Together, I'll be showing you some useful techniques that you will use for this recipe and other recipes too. So the first step in this recipe, we're gonna grab the asparagus. As you can see here, I've already started. These asparagus are nice, thick stalks. What I'm gonna do is, we don't ever wanna eat the ends of these. We're gonna take this, we're gonna put it between our two fingers and give it a quick little snap. Wherever that snaps off, you're gonna take that woody end, put it aside, keep them in your fridge. When you make a veggie stock, nothing goes to waste, especially in my kitchen. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start off, hold the big thicker end at the top, grab that peeler, and we're just going to peel down. We just keep peeling that asparagus and just keep going until you get a nice plate. Remember, you're gonna use 1 pound of asparagus for this recipe. As you can see, I finished shaving all my asparagus. Now it's time to make that marinade. I'm gonna start off with 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 large clove of grated garlic, and some salt and pepper. Next, we're gonna grate that ginger. All you can do is snap off a piece, use a spoon, and you're just gonna take off all that skin, just like this. Quick and fast. You're gonna take your rasp, take your ginger, take your bowl of marinade, and you're just going to rasp this great, fresh smelling ginger right into the bowl. Put that aside, and we're gonna throw in all that marinade. What we're gonna do is just take all this asparagus and put this all into this resealable bag. Get all that marinade all over that asparagus. Put it in the fridge between 1 and 8 hours. Next step, grab your pan, put it onto medium-low heat, and grab 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. You're gonna put those into your pan, and you make sure that there's lots of room, so you keep shaking them up, and you wanna really get them all nice and toasty for at least 3 minutes. Don't go anywhere, or else they're gonna burn really quickly. And there you go, toasted sesames. For this recipe, we also need 1 bunch of large radishes cut into matchsticks, just like I've done here already. But I'm gonna show you how we can do that. I'm gonna take off the tip, put that aside, and we're going to cut these radishes into coins. Take the coins, stack them, and go the opposite way to make those great thin matchsticks. The thinner the better, you get a nice full flavor of radishes, just like this. The final step is to plate the salad. Grab a small, shallow serving bowl. Using your tongs, take out all that great shaved asparagus. Top it with your radishes. Now you want to take your remaining marinade, finish with that last drizzle. Finally, take that toasted sesame and just sprinkle your plates. There you have it, our toasted sesame asparagus marinated salad.